Hey guys, how are you going? Today I'm going to do my best to describe DuckDAO, DDIM. Firstly, let's talk about DuckDAO and what they do. To find this out, I want to show you their Medium post. DuckDAO is a decentralized incubator that helps promising projects achieve their full potential by leveraging the investment power and buzz-making potential of our community. So what the hell does that actually mean? Well, they'll do extensive due diligence checks on projects wishing to use DuckDAO as their incubator before they launch. If DuckDAO decides to partner up with them, then DuckDAO will provide their expertise and ensure their new venture will succeed. What kind of assistance does DuckDAO offer? Well, according to their Medium article, they offer marketing, advice, listing services, media strategy, and finally, finance, which supports the growth of new projects. So, what about DDIM token? What's its use case? Well, in exchange for DuckDAO's marketing and financial support, new projects offer up a portion of their tokens at a pre-sale prices to DDIM holders. So, are all DDM token holders guaranteed a token allocation from new projects? Well, usually the answer to this question is no, but it depends on how much DDIM you are actually holding in your wallet. Check out these tiers. The higher the tier, the more allocation available. Only Diamond Club members and above have guaranteed allocation. So, how does this allocation process actually work? Well, first of all, you have to have a certain amount of DDIM in your wallet to match the club you want to join. Then you'll need to join their official Telegram group. Make sure you join the correct one though, as there are lots of scams. Before you open Telegram though, make sure you have your MetaMask wallet with your DDIM in it ready. And then you'll be connected to CollabLand bot in Telegram. It will detect the amount of DDIM you're holding and direct you to a group you can qualify for. That's it, you're in. What then? Well, then you familiarize yourself with how the process works. Make sure you read all the pinned messages. Ask questions if you are unsure. Projects are announced frequently, so keep checking your Telegram and be ready for any allocation announcements. So, how do you actually get new allocations? Well, first, there is an announcement, then a time is set for the sale. Then once the time has been reached, there will be a link to a Google document pinned in the Telegram, where you have to fill out some details, including your transaction hash. Then you'll have to send some USD or USDT to the contract address. Once that's done, you'll get a confirmation email. Then sit back and wait for the project to launch, and hopefully the price will go up. Okay, that's it guys. I really hope that made sense. Don't forget, if you're unsure of anything, just ask the Ducks. It's one of the most friendly Telegram groups I've ever joined. Recently though, there have been some scammers in Telegram. So please take the time to read the most recent Medium article and take precautions. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, good luck everyone. I hope you could enjoy my short explainer video. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really encourages me. Okay, thank you everyone, and signing out.